សួស្តីបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាហើយថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំមកណែនាំខ្លួនគឺ my name Makara so today I take video so take video talk about the learning Japan with Makara to my channel so everyone that you have the purpose that you want to study the basic of English so you should to subscribe my channel because of the purpose I want to sharing knowledge that I was study and something knowledge that I learn. So everyone knowledge it is very important. Such as that languages, such as that can bring you go to somewhere because our Japan languages is very important to make communication to other people around. So don't waste the time. So you try to learn about the languages. Why you study Japan? Because I want to know Japan, you can make communication, you can make relationship, and you can learn about the culture, you learn about the way of thinking, you learn about the law and something as well, especially culture. And then so I want to this video I want to talk about the way the method of study Japan. It is very important. More and more students we understand about three points that I want to tell all you. Perhaps some people that they know words, so I want to explain again about that. This video talk about the three shoe. It is mean that Fuk shoe it is mean that Fuk shoe review. When you study languages, you try to review again and again. You try to reviews, and then your shoe it is mean that you try make habit study before that you go to meet teacher, you go to join learn with teacher, you try to study, okay? And then it is very important when you review and you study before the teacher. The best point, the three, you try practice or carry out. Practice means that practice makes you perfect. So you want to know, understand what you try to practice and carry out again and again until that you fluency. Everyone, this point I talk that the 3 points is Fukshu, Yokshu, Renshu. It is very important. Not studying Japan, you study something my language is in English. It is very important. So everyone, you want to learn Japan languages, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Learn Japan with Makara. Okay, thank you everyone that is watching my video at the first until at last video. Thank you.